A hip hop, a hippie to the hip hop, you rock and you don't stop the boogie to the bang bang boogie to up jump the boogie to the rhythm to the boogie to the beat. Now here's a story about that so fine, it's gonna teach you samples every single time. It's not about shooting cars or bling, it's about random samples, a crucial thing. First you gotta know the sample size, the number of cases, don't be surprised. The bigger the sample, the better the view of the population you're trying to review. Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the way to get your data to flow. Every case has a chance to be picked, and that's the only way your data won't be tricked. If you want to make sure your sample's legit, you gotta use a method that's perfect fit. Simple random sampling is the name of the game. It's simple, it's random, it's not insane. Stratified random sampling is another one. Divide your population, get it done. Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the way to get your data to flow. Systematic sampling, that's the third method. It's the end of the case, don't you forget it. It's quick and easy, it can't be beat. It's a great way to sample, take a seat. Cluster sampling is another way to go. It's random groups, don't you know? It's used when your population's large, so don't forget it. It's a valuable charge. Random sampling, it's the only way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the only way to get your data to flow. Alright, so now here's some words that rhyme. Derriere, solitaire, questionnaire, underwear, Delaware. Okay, back to the stats. Now that you know the methods you use, you gotta think about the sample size to choose. It's gotta be big enough to be precise, but not too big that would be concise.
Jeepers, that's bars!
Thank you, that's why they call me G-Flow. Alright. There's a formula for sample size, listen up. It depends on factors like confidence levels and such. If you want a small margin of error, that's great. You'll need a bigger sample, don't be late. Now that you got your sample in hand, you gotta analyze it. That's the plan. Descriptive stats will give you the scoop on the central tendency and data group. But if you want to test your hypothesis, you gotta use inferential statistics. Please, it's all about the probability and the p-value and statistical significance. Don't be naive. Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the way to get your data to flow. Now that you know about random sampling, that's a fact. It's the way to get your data intact. It's not just for AP stats, it's for life, so use it well and avoid any strife. Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the way to get your data to flow. Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, it's the way to go, don't you know? Random sampling, the only way to get your data to flow.